What's up guys, my name is Van, aka DoorDash Tips, Side Hustle Tutorial, and Food Addict. Today we're going to be doing Amazon Flex package, sub same day, Amazon package tips and tricks. This might be a new trick, or this might be old. To be honest, I don't do a lot of Amazon Flex package. So this tip here will save you a lot of time, fam. And as you know, Amazon Flex package, if you don't organize your route, you're gonna be falling behind, way behind, fam. All right, let's get straight to it, huh? All right, so Amazon kind of switch up their protocols. After you scan your driver license, you will wait for your route, or sometimes it's ready. You look for like the stage number, for example, stage 100, stage 150. You just go there, you scan one package, and you push it to your car. And the way I organize it is the first third in the front seat, the first 10 package or so in the front passenger, the second third in the back seat, and the last third in the trunk. So let me turn off this light. At the upper right corner, there's that thing. If you press on that and scan the package, it will tell you the order of the delivery. It will tell you if it's number 2 or number 30. So what you do, if it's the first 10 delivery, put it in the front passenger. If it's the last third, put it in the trunk. And if it's the second third, put it in the back seat. So once again, after you load up your route, you can use the scan package on the upper right corner of the Amazon Flex app. So just scan that package and it will tell you the order of the itinerary. I think this way saves a lot more time, especially when you're at a big warehouse like Denver or any other big cities, The yellow sticker when I was in Dayton, Ohio is a lot more simple. It's like 1A, 2B, 3C, but in Denver it's like 1C, 76A. It's very hard to tell by the yellow sticker compared to this method right here. So you just scan this, it will tell you if it's number 2, number 10, number 30. That's all there is to it, fam. And people ask me, how do I get these Amazon Flex route on search? I do not use a bot, but if you have Android, or some bots works with iOS as well. If you have Android, there's a lot of Amazon Flex Scrapper apps. So I'm not sure what's the policy on Amazon Flex Scrapper bots. I don't use it myself. I'm in this for the long run, so you can use Amazon Flex bot grabber, or you can just keep on checking the app. I only do Amazon Flex package when it's like at least $26 per hour. With Amazon Flex Whole Foods, I try to aim for at least $32 per hour. And Amazon, well, they changed it to Fresh Online now. It used to be called Amazon Prime now. That I try to aim for like $30 per hour. And turn on Instant Offer, fam. Instant Offer is upper right corner. That Instant Offer, I think you get both Whole Foods and Fresh Online. So you just toggle to the right. Yeah. So yeah, the key to Amazon Flex package is organizing your route. And let's look at what Amazon says are the 8 keys to a perfect delivery, huh? I had some screenshot. Hold on one second. All right, I will post a screenshot on this. So this is at the Amazon Flex warehouse, fam, package warehouse. 8 keys to a perfect delivery. 8 keys to a perfect delivery. Number 1, make sure you have the correct address. So to be honest, the Amazon Flex geolocation is very accurate, very accurate. Unless it's like a townhouse or something, or a duplex. Yeah, in that case, you could be delivering to the neighbor's house instead of the correct house. But Amazon Flex GPS geolocation is very accurate. Now on the other hand, their turn-by-turn direction is the worst, fam. So be careful when you're using Amazon Flex turn-by-turn direction. Yeah, try to use Waze or Google Maps. So number one, on at the warehouse it says make sure you have the correct address. Okay, of course. Number two, knock on the door and ring the bell between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Honestly, I don't knock, the app should tell them, but it's up to the driver. I personally do not knock on my deliveries unless the instruction says to knock or put it under the mat or behind the bushes. So Amazon wants you to knock between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Because nowadays a lot of people have babies and crazy dogs, barking dogs and whatnot. Deliver to the customer front door when it is permitted and secure, of course. Number four, scan the package at the point of delivery. Honestly, I've been doing it. I've been scanning inside my car, but I think what they want you to do is you grab the package, walk to the front door and scan it. Scan at the customer's front door. I personally scan it when I'm in my car, So I don't think that's a big difference. When delivering, number five, when delivering to the customer directly, verify the customer's name, of course, but nowadays there's some delivery that are required by signature now. So if it's signature required, make sure the customer is there. Do not forge their signature, fam. If they're not home, just take it back, So I guess these are for more like expensive items, handed to customer. Number six, be courteous and respectful to customer and other carriers, of course. Always be respectful and, follow driving laws. Number seven, follow the customer's delivery instruction when secure and safe, of course. Some people want it in the backyard, under the mats, behind the bushes, on the side. Hide it from my husband. I've seen it all. Never deliver to a USPS mailbox. Honestly, I made this mistake when I first started DSP. Because on the instructions of the customer, it says put it in the mailbox. Do not put it in the mailbox, fam. Only USPS mail carrier, mailman, mailwoman, mail carrier are allowed to put it in the mailbox. So when Amazon contracted to USPS, they're allowed to put it in the mailbox. They're the only ones. That's USPS property. That's federal property. Do not put it in the mailbox. The FBI is gonna come get you. So I honestly made that mistake a couple of times, when I first started, like 3 years ago. Do not put it in the mailbox, even if the customer put it in, stuff in the mailbox. They don't realize that Amazon delivered their own package, So that's all there is, that's all there is to it. And of course, wear an Amazon vest or a reflective vest. I think it's best to wear a reflective yellow vest. Get yourself a head flashlight. What else? Pump gas before your route if possible. Usually flex package is anywhere from 3 hours to 5 hours. So it's best to pump gas before you're shipped. Oh yeah, this is very important. Be on time. Amazon Flex will drop your route even if you're 1 minute late or 5 minutes late. So if your block starts at 4 p.m. and you arrive at 4:05, they will drop your block. Happens to me twice within the last couple of months. Be on time, that's key. What else? Oh, watch out for dogs, fam. So when you're approaching the house, watch out for beware of dogs, There's an incident like a month ago. Amazon DSP driver got killed by 2 dogs, Beware of dogs, If it doesn't feel safe, just take it back to your van. This car, this is for both Flex and DSP. If you don't feel safe to deliver it, just take it back, Don't risk your life over it. Once again, to get the surge, you just gotta keep on checking the app or use Amazon Flex Grabber. The best apps on Amazon Flex is Amazon Flex Whole Foods. The second best is Fresh Online, and usually the least, the worst pay is package, but peak season is gonna start soon, so you're gonna see a lot of Amazon Flex package routes on Surge. The highest I've seen was like $45 per hour for like 4-hour block or something like that. And I finished it like in 2.5, yeah. Sometimes you get free money when they overbook the drivers. If they book you if you booked a 5-hour route and you show up and they don't have a route for you, they will give you the whole money, the whole 5 hours. So that happens a lot around Thanksgiving to Christmas during peak season. What else? Yeah, just practice safe driving, you know. Don't try to run stop sign or red lights, you know. It's okay to be a little bit late, but with Amazon Flex, it's very important to be on time, fam. They're very strict about being on time with all the deliveries and showing up on time. So that's all there is to it, fam. So I've been doing both Amazon Flex and Amazon DSP, driving that blue Amazon van. So, but for the last 6 months, I haven't done a lot of Flex packages or Whole Foods, you know. Only take it when the route's on really good Surge. Anyway, that's all there is to, you know, how to organize your route. Or you can do by the yellow sticker, you know. The yellow sticker, 1A, 2B. In Denver, the yellow sticker is very hard for me to figure out, you know. So once again, this method I think will save you a lot of time, fam. On the upper right, after you finish scanning your route or loading or whatever, when you're loading your cart to your car, on the upper right, just scan the package. It will tell you the order of the itinerary, you know, number 2, number 3, number 10, so on, you know. So once again, the first third in the front seat, the second third in the back seat, and the last third in the trunk. That's how I do it. Anyway, hopefully that helps, fam. If you enjoy videos like these, please smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. See you guys on the next one. Be safe out there. Peace.